Hi, good afternoon sa inyong lahat and happy to be with you, Aljoy.
Ayun po, ngayon po pag-uusapan po natin, ano ba talaga ang PCCM, no? Ano ba yung mandato niya? Ano bang purpose niya? Saan nagsimula? Nandito po tayo kay Ate Virgie at bibigyan tayo ng liwanag, no? Ate Virgie, ano ba talaga po ang PCCM?
Yeah. Ang PCCM ay founded by community leaders na ang passion nila ay magkaroon tayo ng building yung place of belongingness na dito tayo nagmi-meet, dito tayo i-promote ang ating culture and mga heritage natin. This is where we do our programs, lalo na sa mga new immigrants at mga events, and this was founded by passionate community leaders. Marami rin sila, hindi ko lang maano kung sino yung mga pangalan na, pero nasa history. And this is like a central hub for the Filipino community, yung PCCM. And I can say that this is the home away from home of the Filipino people in Manitoba.
Ayun po. Well said po. Nabanggit nyo kanina ang central hub, no, dito sa Manitoba. Home away from home. So basically dito tayo nagkakaroon ng mga events and everything po. Aside from that po, Ate, ano po yung pwedeng ibigay ng PCCM po?
Well, for PCCM, they have their own programs now, especially to our new immigrants or to other community people like yung welcome to new immigrants and yung pamaskong handog sa bagong dating, just to experience our new immigrants the spirit of Christmas in Manitoba. That's why we have those programs. And also yung iba, yung mga programs for our seniors, teaching them to learn computer or to do some emails. This is coming soon. Abangan nila yon at ipopromote ng ating program director. Marami rin pang program and I don't have the list, but meron tayong yearly na schedule of programs sa PCCM.
Ayun po. So nabanggit nyo kanina, welcoming of new immigrants, pamaskong handog. I think may hamper pa ata tayo, kung di ko na kumaalala ko.
Yeah.
Be the president po ng PCCM, kumusta naman po ang journey po natin?
Journey dito sa PCCM?
Opo, yung PCCM.
Well, being a president here in PCCM ay hindi ko naman masasabi na mahirap o but it is just because I love serving and yun ang nag-ano sa akin na kung may passion ka and you love what you're doing, light lang yung ginagawa mo dito. And if you're doing the right thing, of course, being a president is not too exhausting. Although you need to know your role, you need to know your job as a president. And I love what I'm doing. I love serving the people, the community, and this makes me happy. Yun ang journey ko. Or gusto mong sabihin ko yung kailan ako nagpunta dito?
Ay, okay na po yun. So, maganda po yung nasabi po ni Press Virgie, no? At least you have your passion. Hindi ka nakakaramdam ng pagod. At least parang nag-detox ka lang dito.
Yeah, detox.
Dito sa PCCM.
Correct.
Okay po. Nabanggit po marami po kayong mga projects working on. Ano po yung mga ibang initiatives po natin at aabangan po nila dito sa PCCM?
Well, yung isa, we partner with other community offices like the Seven Oaks Immigrant Center. Yung soon na coming this May ay yung sharing circle with the seniors. We partner with Seven Oaks, care of Denny Nangan.
Oh, Denny Nangan.
Denny Nangan, yeah.
Yes.
And that's in collaboration with PCCM, with our program director, si Dante Aviso.
Aviso, yes.
So we will have our seniors here every Tuesday from 11 to 4. And then this coming May, we have some I think it's a musical show, PCCM and Friends. Everybody who have talent in singing can join the event this coming May. Kailan yun? May 19 yata yun. Yeah.
So, dami palang events na mangyayari po dito sa PCCM building. Manang, ano po yung na-envision niyo po as a president dito sa PCCM po?
Well, I have some vision here na gusto ko na this PCCM is not only like this, but it grow more like having maybe a gym. Kasi ang mga Pilipino mahilig sa sports, especially basketball.
Basketball, yes po.
We have a little space there. I have shown Cindy Lamuro one time kung may pwede niya kaming tulungan. And I've contacted some other, senior community leaders. Yun ang isang vision namin, to have a maybe gym. And the other one is seniors house, seniors home ba yun? Yung parang because nangyari ito nung yung isa sa board namin, si Fred De Villa, ay nilipat na sa isang facility ng seniors home. So sabi ko, if we can have our own Filipino seniors home, diba? And maybe we can have not here, or we can have another land. Maganda sana yun. And those are just big visions na iisip ko. But, well, if it will not happen in a overnight na lang, but it's nice to have a vision. Because that's where you start. That's where you start going forward. No vision, no growth, di ba?
Tama po kayo. You start with a vision, and after that po, for execution na po.
Yes.
So, yun naman po yung talagang lahat naman po pwedeng mangyari po dito sa Manito. Especially, ito na yung home away from home natin.
Yeah, true.
So, you said, bilang dito sa PCCM, do you consider volunteer po, ate?
Yes, all of us here are volunteered. We just have one staff, yung accounting position namin, yun lang ang staff dito, and our cleaner. But everyone here are volunteers.
Ang sarap mag-volunteer po pag alam mo na yung ginagawa po natin, especially pag mga workplace na ganito, very light po magtrabaho.
Kaya I invite everyone to come and volunteer,
Ayun po. Filipinos have a lot of, marami tayong community dito, Manang, maraming iba-ibang groups, iba-ibang culture.
Yes.
Paano tayo as a PCCM collaborate sa iba-ibang grupo po natin?
Yeah, yan ay isa sa mission ng PCCM sa aming constitution, is to connect with all the Filipino groups like Pangasinan, Bisdak, Quezon, Bibak, and other the AIM, other groups of Filipinos. What I usually do when I started my term as president was to gather everyone. I connect with all the leaders ng iba-ibang group. We have a meeting, and we share our ideas, we share our own events, and we support each other. And also, I ask them to be open if they want to know what's happening at the center. That's the time na ako ay nagre-report din sa kanila. And that's my obligation as the president of PCCM, to report what's happening in PCCM to our community leaders. And yun, mga twice a year, may ganun kaming meeting. And sa mga events, we support each other. And wala namang basta alam namin ang schedule ng isa, at least walang nag-overlap at makaka-support kami lahat sa isa't isa.
Nabanggit po kanina, Manang, you report to different groups. Yeah, basically. Ano yung mga pressing issues right now ng PCCM na pwede natin i-address po?
Tatlo lang po. Ay, isa lang, no? Ang importante talaga na pinire-report ko sa community ay yung financial. And I started doing that because from the previous administration or previous years dito ng PCCM, the people were so eager to know what's the financial standing of PCCM. So that's the first thing that I have done to the people. We report the financial. We have an open and transparent financial report, and nakita ko naman sila na yun ang gusto nilang makita. Magkano ang mortgage, nakakabayad ba kayo, ganon. So, and the last reporting I did to our community was, I believe that's last March. And I see very happy naman sila. Walang questions, they just nod yung head nila na nag-agree naman sila. And this was the time that I really told to myself na if we have an open and transparent financial report and financial, transactions, wala tayong tatago sa community, yun ay talagang yun ang aking maibibigay naman na nagawa. Yun ang masasabi ko.
Accomplishment.
Wala mang biglang building or biglang kwan, but ang inuna ko talaga ay yung libro ng ating community center. And I am really proud na yung aming financial team, very good sila sa kanilang mga lahat. Every single cents ay nare-record. So that's why when they report, it's very visible na walang mga makita lahat. Kung may negative o positive, makita lahat kung nasaan yung pera. So I'm very proud of the financial team, care of Lou Fernandez, siya ang treasurer, and Maria Harper ang assistant treasurer niya. But this time we have another assistant treasurer, si Paul Onciano. So yun ang aking maipagmamalaki na start naman dito sa center, yung financial transparency.
Ayun po. Well said po. Last two questions po before we end up po. What does the PCCM play on promoting diversity and cultural inclusion within Manitoba po?
The cultural inclusion, we have events like inviting our indigenous brothers, and we do that during the Reconciliation Day, sharing our culture together, and we invite other indigenous group from our country, like the Bibak. They perform each other, and yung mga ibang culture ng Quezon Province, yung iba-iba, and we share each other's culture, at yung mga ating mga kababayan sa Métis,
Métis, ating Aboriginal.
Aboriginal, yeah. I mean, kasi hindi ko masabi yung Aboriginal. Mga yun, we share each other's culture, hindi lang sa dances, kundi yung mga history of our own culture. So, tapos sa ating own Filipino culture, I go to other events also and support them, and sa kanila, if we have events, they come also. So, it's like sharing to one another's culture ang mga nagagawa ng pakikiconnect ng center sa kanila.
Ayun po. On the lighter side, last question po. How's the day of a president of PCCM?
Well, it's just light. Every day, pumupunta ako dito, I volunteer here every day except Saturday kung may meeting, or Sunday is really my Lord's Day, ika nga, rest day, so I don't go out Sunday. But usually Monday to Friday, I am here in the afternoon. And as soon as I come to the office, it's just light. I started to check my emails, to go around the building, to talk to people, Basta nandito na ako, open yung door, alam na nandito, phone mag-answer. It's a busy afternoon every day. Pero, yun ang sabi ko sa'yo, if you love what you're doing, happy ka, very joyful ang nasa puso mo. Di mo naiisip na na-stress ka or pagod ka. No. I love what I'm doing, and my role as a president is just light and happy.
Happy, ayun. Hindi pa
Happy
lang,
lang.
tapos na pala yung oras mo.
Oo, kaya ngayon, tapos na tayo, di ba?
Last question po, paano po tayo paano nyo sila invite nyo po sila dito? Ano phone number po na pwede kayo ma-reach? And, yun po.
Yeah. Well, I'm inviting everyone to come and see our beloved Philippine Canadian Center of Manitoba. Ito ang bahay ninyo na mga kababayan ko. Ako po ang iyong taga-bantay lang at sabi ko nga, ali kayo at tingnan nyo itong facility natin. If you want to have a birthday celebration, there's a hall for us to rent. Just a minimal cost sa ating mga kababayan. And also, we have some events here, community events, and check our postings sa Facebook or sa mga radio na pinapa-announce namin kay Lucille at sa CKGS team. At mga iba pang mga programs in the future. So come and stop by at the center. We love to see you and come and hang out dito sa inyong bahay.